Today you'll learn how to move investments between accounts on Wealthsimple in just a few steps, without selling anything or triggering unnecessary mistakes. This is useful if you are reorganizing your portfolio or consolidating accounts. Let's get into it. First, open the Wealthsimple app and go to the investment account you want to move holdings from. This is usually a TFSA or a non-registered account, since those are the most flexible for transfers. Before you continue, there are two important things to understand. If you are moving from an RRSP, remember that transfers between registered accounts are not always simple and can have tax implications depending on how it is done. And with an FHSA, there are specific rules on withdrawals and transfers that can affect contribution room and tax benefits, so you want to be extra careful there. Also, a key restriction many people miss. If the account is being used as collateral for a line of credit, you cannot move holdings out of it. Wealthsimple blocks this type of transfer for risk and security reasons. Once you are in the correct account, scroll across the screen until you see the option called Move Holdings. Tap on it. Next, you will be asked where you want to move the investments to. In the To section, select the destination account. Only eligible accounts will appear here, so if something is missing, it usually means it is not allowed for transfer between those account types. After selecting the destination, tap Next at the bottom. Now you will see a list of all eligible holdings inside that account. This is where you choose what you want to move. You can either tap Max to transfer everything available, or manually enter the number of shares if you only want to move part of a position. Take your time here. A common mistake is transferring the wrong amount or moving something you plan to keep for a specific strategy inside that account. Once you are ready, press Review. Check all the details carefully, including the account you are moving from, the destination account, and the holdings selected. If everything looks correct, hit Submit. That is it. The transfer is now submitted, and it typically takes around 24 hours to complete. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple breakdowns like this.